In front of me is XIAOMI 11 Lite 5G NE, and today I would like to show you how you can operate App Permissions Manager on this device. Firstly, access Settings and scroll down. Then you need to select Apps and click on Permissions 2 times. Over here, you need to pick one of your phone's features like location and select one of your apps. I will go with Calendar because it has a lot of options. And over here, pick one of those. Allow only while using the app, ask every time, or deny. I will go with allow only while using the app, so when I go back, I can see that Calendar just gained access to this device location if I am using it. But you can also just click on one of your apps like Chrome, select See All from Permissions over here, and manage all of them for this app from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!